How to borrow money from CashApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to borrow money from your CashApp account. So first of all, just simply open your CashApp account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And in order to borrow the money from your CashApp account, you need to click on the profile section from the top right hand side of the screen, and over here just simply scroll down and click on the support center from the list, and just scroll down again, and you will be able to see the option called borrow right here. Just simply tap on it, and over here you will be able to see the related articles from the borrowing section. So CashApp says that CashApp lets you borrow money at an industry low rate and splits your repayment, and borrowed is powered by Square Capital, and all loans originated from First Electric banks. So you just simply have to click on how I can improve my chances to get borrow from the CashApp account. So it says that although you are not eligible for the borrowing yet, and you can improve your chances for getting access by doing the following. You need to use your CashApp card, and you need to deposit money into your CashApp account for quite frequently, and maintain a positive account balance in your CashApp account balance section. And your eligibility is determined by these three and other factors, and it is not guaranteed yet, and you will be notified if you are become eligible for borrowing money from your CashApp account. Doing any or all these above may not result in the ability to access borrow, because CashApp see other criteria as well. And so this is the basic criteria for borrowing money from your CashApp account. And if you still have some doubts regarding borrowing money from your CashApp account, you need to simply click on the chat section from the bottom, and over here just start talking to the CashApp support team and ask them whether you will be able to borrow money from CashApp or not, and if yes, how, and if not, how. And this is basically how you will be able to get your queries solved regarding borrowing money. I hope I'm able to answer your doubt regarding borrowing money from CashApp. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.